Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial, part design tutorial exercise number 26. You can click part tools, then click start to the sketch. I will choose top plane. So you can draw circle. I will set for diameter into 30. And the next circle, we set diameter into 14. Now you can create again circle this point. I will set diameter into 12. Use these tools to make a vertical constraint between these 2 points. Then I will set distance between these two objects and set into 70. The next, I will create line. Okay, click from this point to here to the bottom and connect again. We can set for the distance. I will set into 100. Create again a rectangle. Okay, start from this point here. And the distance dimension from this line into here, set into 40. And then this line object set into 20. Now you can use trim command to cut this line object. This, and I will create line start from this point here. Use tangent tools. You can click this line into this circle. Also this line object into this. I will create line again in the bottom here. And then use tangent tools, connect between these two objects and also in this circle. You also can use trim tools to cut the line and then cut again at this point. Use fillet tools, click at this icon fillet and then set for 5 for fillet radius. I will fillet in this corner and fillet by clicking the two lines and we create the fillet. You done, you can click finish cut. Now to convert into 3D, we can use extrude tools. Click this icon extrude. And then I will select at this face. Also in this area, we can change reverse the extrusion and set for this time into 30. Okay. You can visible for the sketch, you can right click in here and then choose visibility. And we use extrude again. So in here I will extrude this face in here. And then you can set this face again and also in this face. You can reverse and then we set for distance in here into 10 and you can set with this joint tool. Click OK. Use extrude again. You can select at this face and we set extrusion into 5. Click OK. Now you can select at this face and we create new sketch. I will create circle and sort in this middle point to here and set for diameter into 6. Now we can set distance from this point to this edge and set into 5. Click finish sketch. And the last, use extrude tools. Select at this face. We use this option cut and then you can move into here. Click OK and to be create hole. Now to hide this sketch, you can go back into sketch, right click, then uncheck for visibility. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials, part designs number 26. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.